All right, I just got this EMS Electrotherapy Heating Cervical Spine Pillow. So let's open it up, let's unbox it, see what it looks like. All right, so it comes with a USB-C to USB-A. It comes with USB-C to USB-A, and it has a remote. It's kind of weird, but I guess if you're laying down, this might be a good way to, do it. All right, so whenever you get these things, you've got to pull this out, and that allows you to use it, because what this does is blocks the battery. So now the battery can, make contact, and you can use this remote. But let's go ahead and we'll set these two things over to the side, and let's take a look at the unit itself. Oh, this right here, that's to keep moisture out. You don't need that. All right, let's go ahead and get it out of its compartment here. All right, here we go. Oh, it does come, look, it does come with some instructions. Okay. Let me just set it here for a second. So here's your instructions. Take a look at it. I think they might be in English on this side. So it kind of tells you how to use it, right? You can do a screenshot. All right, so here it is. There it is. Bam, done. See, this is where you get the electrical juice on it. I'm wondering if I need to plug it in and charge it. Let's see if I hold it. Oh, wait a minute, something happened. Yeah, there we go. So anyway, you gotta press and hold it. Watch. So it goes out, press and hold this middle button, right? Usually they have a universal, thing with them, but they don't have it on this one. So this is heated electronic therapy vibration massage. All right, so that's good. So if you want to go up, you press this. There it goes. Oh, this looks like it could be pretty awesome. Oh, it just goes to 3. Now to go down, you go here, 2, 1, and none. So this is the first one. It's vibrating. Second, good vibration. Third, that's the highest vibration. And then if you click it again, nothing happens, so you got to go to here to make it go down. And that's the bottom one. So now all we got to do is try it out and see what we think. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, so we're going to try this out. Okay. And I could set it right here, so I'm just going to go to 1. Just set it there, and then I'm going to go ahead and try it out here. Get my, see where it's at. You got it kind of, oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. That feels good. And if I want to go higher, I can just go like this. Ooh. Yeah. And I'm going to go one more. Now I'm on full blast. Oh. Oh, yeah. Feels good. See what else I can do. Oh. I've got heat. I've got pulse. And I got vibration. Heat, pulse, vibration. Up and down, plus and minus, right? So if I want to do vibration, I could do heat by pressing this. I got to kind of point it at it. Oh, wow. I'm going to kind of go, let me see. I'm pointing it right at it. It's not doing anything. Oh, well, but anyway, it feels pretty good. And you can get it like right on the different spots too. I like it. Oh yeah, it's relaxing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I use stuff like this. Peace out.